Hello, welcome to my first video about cursive handwriting. In this video I'm gonna practice some fundamental strokes in this style of handwriting. I promise you, if you fill out one or two of these practice sheets, your handwriting will improve a lot. It is not an advanced style of writing, it is for daily usage and it will be easy if you practice enough. Okay. The pen I am using is just a normal crystal up, 1.2 millimeters. I also use one of these rapids sometimes, 0.1. I'm not sure where you can find this exact rapid, but it's not required. You can write with everything. The practice sheet we are using, we have our baseline here. This is our baseline. We have two guidelines above and we have one guideline below it. The distance between here and here, between these two lines and these two lines, is 3 millimeters, and the distance here is 4.5 millimeters. This is 3 multiplied by 1.5. Okay, we have our diagonal lines at 60 degrees and the distance between them is 5 millimeters. This is our practice sheet, and also I use a writing pad. This is a paper towel, cheap and easy to use. You can also use leather if you want, and that's it. It was the intro. Let's go to the fundamental strokes. Our number one fundamental stroke is just a straight line at 60 degrees. Okay, just a straight line, that's it. Just practice a straight line. This is what we want. What we don't want is a very vertical line. We don't want this. Or a very rotated line. We don't want this. Also, we don't work with thickness in this style of handwriting. So we don't want a very thick line or a very narrow line, okay? Just use normal pressure. That's it. Our number two stroke is this. You start at 60 degrees and end at 45 degrees. Okay? Again. That's it. You start at 60 degrees and end at 45 degrees. Okay, also you go up just 1 millimeter. Okay, so you start from here at 60 degrees and go up 1 millimeter. Okay, what we don't want is something like this. We don't want this. Also, we don't want this. We want this. Okay, it was our number 2. Number 3 stroke is exactly the same as the number 2, but in a different direction. This is number 3. This is number 3. We start at 45 degrees and end at 60 degrees. Okay, we start at 2 millimeters away from the baseline, go up at 45 degrees and go down at 60 degrees. Okay, that's it. Number 4 stroke is number 2 and number 3 combined. This is number 4. That's it. This is number 4. Our number 5 stroke is a little bit harder, but don't worry. You can reach a good level by practicing. This is just a beautiful rounded shape. Let me show you with this pen. You start at 60 degrees, go up a little bit, then round it, go down at 60 degrees, round it, and go all the way up to your starting point. It is important to go up a little bit at first, okay? You need to go up a little bit at first, then round it, okay? Don't do this. Don't round it from the beginning, okay? Let me show you again. This is number 5. This is a beautiful rounded shape with a diagonal diameter at 60 degrees. Okay. Our number 6 stroke is this one. You start at the middle point here between two diagonal lines at the middle. Start at 45 degrees and go tangent to this line. Okay, let me show you again. You start on here at 45 degrees, go tangent to this line at 60 degrees. This is number 6. Now number 7 stroke is this one. You start at the middle point here, go at 45 degrees up till here, round it, go down and do a number 2 stroke. Let me show you. Go up, round it, go down and a number 2 stroke. This is number 7. Let me show you again. At the middle point, go all the way up, round it, and a number 2. The cross point should be exactly at this line. 3 millimeters away from the baseline. This is 45 degrees and this is 45 degrees also. You start with 45 degrees and end with 45 degrees. And finally, number 8 stroke is this one. You start at 60 degrees at this line and go all the way down to 2/3 of the distance here and round it, go up at 45 degrees until 1 millimeter above the baseline. This is number 8. Okay, this is 1/3, this is 1/3, and this is also 1/3. The cross point is below the baseline. Okay, the cross point here is below the baseline. Let me show you again. That's it. This is number 8. Okay everybody, I hope you find this video helpful and practice these fundamental strokes, and I'll see you in the next video.